Hello, friends, and welcome to The Architecture Enthusiast. Marcello Piacentini, a prominent Italian architect and urban planner, active mainly in the early to mid-20th century, is often associated with the architecture of Fascist Italy, playing a significant role in shaping the urban and architectural landscapes of the period. His work, characterized by a blend of traditionalism and modernism, was pivotal in the development of a distinct style that sought to convey the power and permanence of the fascist regime through grandiose and imposing structures. Piacentini's architectural philosophy was deeply influenced by his desire to create a modern Italian style that still paid homage to the country's imperial past. His approach often involved the use of simplified monumental forms, a stark contrast to the elaborate ornamentation of previous styles. This was in line with the fascist ideology, which favored buildings that projected strength and authority. Piacentini's designs typically featured clean lines, symmetrical layouts, and the use of robust materials like travertine and marble, which were both visually impressive and symbolically resonant with ancient Roman architecture. One of the core aspects of Piacentini's work was his focus on urban planning. He viewed architecture and urbanism as interlinked disciplines, with each design contributing to a broader vision of orderly and hierarchical urban spaces. His plans often involved the creation of wide avenues, spacious squares, and strategically placed monumental buildings that were designed to evoke a sense of awe and facilitate large public gatherings, which were crucial for the state's propaganda efforts. Critics of Piacentini's work often point to its ideological underpinnings, arguing that his architectural style was inextricably linked to the oppressive politics of the fascist regime. His focus on grandeur and monumentality is seen by some as an attempt to overshadow the individual in favor of the state, a common criticism of fascist architecture. Furthermore, his designs are sometimes viewed as overly austere and lacking the vitality that characterizes the best urban environments. Despite these criticisms, Piacentini was also recognized for his technical skill and his ability to modernize Italian architecture. He was instrumental in introducing new construction techniques and materials, which allowed for the realization of innovative designs that could not have been constructed with traditional methods. His work in the realm of urban planning has also been noted for its vision and scale, significantly influencing the development of several Italian cities during the 20th century. Piacentini once stated, "The mission of architecture today is to create an environment where man can live, work, and thrive," highlighting his belief in the role of architecture in improving societal conditions. This perspective illustrates the dual nature of his legacy, as both a proponent of a repressive regime and an architect concerned with the functional aspects of human habitation. Today, Marcello Piacentini's work remains a subject of both admiration and controversy. His contributions to the field of architecture and urban planning are undeniable, but his association with fascist ideology complicates his legacy. As Italy continues to reckon with its fascist past, Piacentini's buildings serve as powerful reminders of the era, embodying the tension between aesthetic achievement and ideological implication. His architectural philosophy and its execution provide a compelling insight into the complex relationship between power, identity, and architecture in the 20th century.